What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you a super cool trick on Instagram, if you didn't know already, to use less data when you're inside of the Instagram app and off of Wi-Fi. Now, if you have a strict data plan where you only have a certain amount that you could use every month, and towards the end of the month, you find yourself running out and trying to budget where you could use your data, this feature is going to help you quite a bit in using less data on the Instagram app. It might have pictures load a little bit slower, but I actually use this feature myself and really haven't noticed much of a difference. It says it's going to do that, but I honestly, like I said, haven't noticed much of a difference. So once you're in Instagram itself, head over to your profile and then go ahead and click the three lines in the upper right hand corner. And it'll bring up this menu right here. Go ahead and click the settings option all the way at the top. And then once you're in settings, there's a bunch of different options, but go ahead and start scrolling all the way to the bottom. It's going to be about 7 or 8 spots up. You'll see it down there, but it is a category titled data usage. And I was actually right on that one. It is 7 from the bottom there, including the 2 blue options that are there at the bottom. So go ahead and head into data usage. And there will be 2 options here, both with different sorts of paragraphs explaining what they do. What you're looking for is obviously the one at the top titled Use Less Cellular Data. And like I explained, it says it's going to load the pictures and load the app slightly more slowly. But when you turn this on, I really haven't noticed a difference. But I have noticed a difference in the amount of data that I have saved since I've had that on. And while you're in here as well, you might as well check the high quality uploads feature. If you have this checked as well, you might want to disable it if you're trying to save on data. It is a trade-off though, because you'll have slightly less quality photos, but it all depends on whether you want good Instagram photos or less data. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you did have any questions about how this worked or how to do it in itself, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.